morning, grade 4s. I'm so excited to be back learning with you, even though it looks a little bit different for this week, and I'm sure hoping it flies by so we'll be back in the classroom together. But I thought I'd start this week off with giving some housekeeping rules and some expectations and a little bit of guidance on how this week will work. So I did mention a few of these before the break to the students, and I sure hope they remember, but if not, here's a little refresher. So these are some of my Google Meet rules. I mentioned to the kids that I expect them to always be on mute, so this allows for everyone to have a chance at their learning and to answer questions. And it ensures that there's no interruption of myself as the teacher or other students who have something to share. I did mention to them if they do have something, they're obviously able to raise their hand. There's multiple ways they can do this on Meets. And I'm expecting that they're in a comfortable learning zone. So I told the students no bedrooms. I'd prefer a kitchen or a living room or an office space, something where it allows for better learning. As well, I sent home a lot of materials the week before break just so they would have them all there and ready to learn. And I'm expecting that bag with them at all times when we are teaching Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And as well, I'm going to try my best to make this super fun so the kids are not dreading having this online week of learning. So before the break, I did send an email to all parents in regards to the schedule and the timing for this week. If you did not get that, please let me know and I will be sure to send it your way. I as well will be making phone calls on January 4th just to make sure you're aware of everything that's going on and if you need any help opening the Google links. I have my handy dandy notes here, and I just wanted to remind you guys that there's small groups each day, and in the schedule it will let you know what group and what time your child is in. Please watch all these videos that are linked in from me, Ms. Benfeld, and Mrs. Bushel on Monday to allow for better learning for the rest of the week. And Tuesday to Friday will be those mini online lessons with the teacher focusing on literacy and numeracy. It'll be 1 hour a day for each child, as well as some time to work on the projects outside of that one-on-one teacher time. My office hours for parent contact or for students to come ask extra questions outside of their group time will be 8:30 to 9:30 each morning, as well as 2 to 3 p.m. each day. As well, please make sure your child has all their materials. I sent home a bunch of paper copies. As well, everything will be digital if they did happen to misplace them. And if you have any questions along the way, please feel free to join in and let me know, and I'll be there to assist in any way. This is how the groups will go. So on group 1, which is 9:30 to 10:30, and sorry that I keep looking this way, I'm just looking at the schedule. It'll be with me and Mrs. Herrick, where the students will go into smaller breakout rooms, and those students in that time are Memphis, Evelyn, PJ, and Elizabeth. Group 2 of the day will be Chase, MJ, and Connor, as well with Mrs. Herrick to be there to assist with other learning. Group 3 is Jackson, Peyton, and Ella. And Group 4 is Gavin, Brooklyn, Lily, and Liam. Now for the students' learning. So these are a few things the kids will need to know about LA and math for their instructional video. I have posted in the learning schedule 3 multiplication videos. One is for 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication without regrouping, and one is with regrouping. As well, I put in a quick little math fact flashcard video for multiplication. If the students could do that with a parent, that would be fantastic. And please feel free to pause the video if the students need more time to answer the fact question. As well, they are more than welcome to pull up a multiplication chart on Google to assist in their understanding of the facts. And as well with that for LA, they have all resources linked in Google Classroom for the digital versions of the books and the paragraph writing and everything we'll be working on. As well, I will be spending time in the one-on-one group time reading to the children and making sure they understand what is to be done outside of their group time.